Bitcoin is down, altcoins are down, and of course, traders are panicking. But you know who is actually winning? It's Polymarket traders and especially Polymarket insiders making millions of dollars every day. That's why today I'm going to talk about how to actually copy insiders on Polymarket, how to actually replicate their insane results, and of course, how to grow your portfolio during the crypto bear market. But before that, I need to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. It's purely for educational and entertainment purposes. So today we are talking about Polymarket, how to actually copy trade insiders, how to find these trades early, and also how to execute these trades as fast as possible. And of course, to do all of these things, we have to use some kind of outside tool. And for this reason, today we're using PolyBot, which is one of the fastest, if not the fastest, Polymarket trading bot. And of course, with trading, with meme coins, with crypto, and also with Polymarkets, it's really important to be quick and also important to get all the latest meta and data in one place. And this is basically where PolyBot shines, because you can do all of these tasks on your phone, on Telegram, so you can actually do everything on the go. It's super quick. And you can also copy all the biggest and the best traders and replicate their success. So as usual, if you want to use the same bot, you can find the link in the description. It will give you the best fees and also is helping my channel. But I think let's start our video on the PolyBot website to actually learn more about the features, also about UI. And later when I jump into actual bot, I will show you all the different features, how they work in the real world, how to find the inside wallets, and how to set up this bot for your success. And we have the tagline, which kind of explains what we are talking about today. So news move the market. So yeah, all the news on Polymarkets move the charts, move the price, and also portfolios for lots of people. And of course, you have to move first to make the biggest bag. And basically, this is why we're using these outside bots, not the actual Polymarket website. Next up, you can see, you can start the bot right here, but also link in description. And we have some of the main features. So first of all, the copy trading, which is a feature that allows you to copy big wallets, big whales, also insiders, and sometimes just people who are smarter than us and they're profitable. So basically, you can just copy what they're doing. You're earning a bit less because you're copying, you're a bit later one step, but still you're getting a really great competitive edge compared to other traders who are kind of just guessing. You know, people mostly are just guessing and betting. Next up, you can trade from anywhere. As I mentioned, this is a Telegram bot, so you can actually trade from your phone, laptop. You can do it, I don't know, on the train if you use trains, maybe on the airplane if it has Wi-Fi. Next up, they offer a safe wallet you can control, so you can see each account gets its own wallet. And also you can deposit from different chains. They have Polygon, Solana, Base, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and BNB. I will show you how it actually works. And again, if you're a professional, if you're copy trading, if you're doing lots of volume, they have zero gas fees, which of course is really great. You're going to save some money using this bot. So basically, this is it. They have instructions how to do it. So fund the wallet, choose the trades, and just get going. So I think let's get going. So let's jump into Telegram. Once you open the bot, you will have your new wallet started. And of course, step one is to actually add funds to your balance, because otherwise you cannot do any trades. To do that, it's really simple. We have a button wallet. Once you click on that, you can see your wallet and you can deposit or withdraw. You can withdraw, of course, once you made some money. So let's click deposit. Right here, you can select what chain do you want to use for deposits: Ethereum, BNB, Bitcoin, Hyper EVM, Base, Solana on Polygon. Polygon is I would say the best because it's direct. So for this example, I chose Polygon. Click on Polygon. This opens your wallet. You can also see what kind of assets are supported. Basically, you can only send these type of tokens to this wallet. Once you do that, let's go back to the main window. You can see I already deposited $10. You can see my tradable balance is right here. And my crazy net worth of $10 is also on the same window. So step one done. You just added money to your wallet. Again, really great because we have lots of different choices. So if you're into altcoins, you probably have money on different chains. And this bot allows you to use that and deploy that money on this bot. Next up, you can browse the markets. So let's click browse the markets. And this is where you can actually find all the different trades that are available on the Polymarkets. You can also always jump into actual Polymarkets and see all the trades. But right here, you can actually write whatever you are looking for. So for example, Trump, and this will open some of the trades for Trump. You can see we have 9 windows. So let's, for example, go, will Trump acquire Greenland before 2027? You can click trade. You can also get all the information, the volumes, the liquidity, expiry date. So let's go trade. You can see the current prices. For yes, it's 10 cents. For no, it's 90 cents, almost 90 cents. So I think for this one, again, don't quote me, it's not a signal, it's just a demo. So don't copy any of these trades. I'm just showing you how it all works. So for example, let's go no. You can also do limit orders. I talked about limit orders so many times. You can set the limit at what price to buy and at what price to sell. So for example, if you want to enter some trades when the price dips, you can actually set a limit buy order. And the same goes with the limit order if you want to sell. So for example, if you're trading some like trade, and you want to automatically sell it at what limit, you can actually set the limit and sell it. So this way you can set some safety parameters to actually not lose all your funds on this one trade. So let's click buy now. Let's do a really simple trade. Let's go $10. That's all I have. Confirm order. And we have executed order. Let's go back to main menu. You can see our position value, our net worth. If we go to our portfolio, you can see our portfolio. We have one trade. It's open right now. And if you want to sell at any time or buy more, you can also have P&L cards. You can actually share with your friends. Let's wait for it. You can actually share your results. So now I made 0% because I just made this trade. But again, it's really cool. You can share your trades and it's all in one Telegram window and it's extremely quick. So let's go back to main menu. Maybe let's close the trade. So let's go portfolio, sell. Let's sell 100%, confirm sell, and we just sold our position. Again, there are some fees, and if you want to get some lower fees, you can use my link in the description, and again, help my channel. But with Polymarkets, I don't recommend going flip-flop, like just buying and selling each second. I think with Polymarkets, wait for some bigger trades, wait for the insiders, and only trade on these bigger trades. Because with the small trades, usually you can actually burn yourself, because usually with these small trades, the price goes like step by step. And then at the end, some insider just moves the price by a lot because he knows the answer. And if you are wrong, you can actually lose lots of money. So if we're talking about insiders, let's jump into copy trading. It's right here. So you can actually start copy trading any wallet. So if you click this button, you have the subscriptions, you have all the copy trading sessions you have live. Right now, I have none. So if you want to start copy trading, you click add subscriptions. You can also discover some of the wallets. If you want to discover some of the wallets, you can actually jump into Polymarkets, click more, leaderboard, and right here you can see daily leaders, weekly leaders. You can select by category. You can click on them and copy their wallets. Or you can go to the Polymarket Analytics. I will leave the link in the description. Again, a really great tool to find some profitable wallets of great traders and also some possible insiders and just start copying. So for this example, I really don't care. So let's copy this wallet. He made some money. Let's go back, add subscription. So you can see right here, you can enter the wallet of who do you want to copy. Let's click paste. Give the name. Test. Next up, you can select how do you want to copy these trades. You can use fixed amount. So select how much per trade you want to go. Or you can go with a multiplier scale based on the leader's trade size. So fixed amount is way easier. Let's go, minimum is $1. Let's go $3. Next up, you can set the daily limit, 100, 500. It will all depend on your budget and your goals. So for this one, let's go no limit. It's faster. Next up, you can select at what range do you actually want to copy trade this trader. So if you want to trade 1-for-1, you can set no filters. If you're more specific about the range, if you don't want to get some really high risk trades, you can select different settings. For this one, let's go 1-to-1, no filters. Next up, slippage tolerance. Again, you can set 1%, 10%, limit mode. For this one, let's go degen, any slippage, I don't care. I just want to copy. This will explain you why any slippage is a bit risky, especially if it's going on the low volume trades, because the wallet you're copying can actually buy a big piece and this will move the price by a lot and you're buying automatically after him for the worst price. But if you want to copy 1-for-1, you could go that, or you can actually set the slippage if you're more conservative and if you want to go more safer. Also, you can see we have all the instructions and all the risks. But yeah, I understand the risk. I want to go full degen. I'm here to make billions. And you can see all the information. So this is the wallet we're copying. This is the name. Mode is fixed. So basically, we have fixed amount for trading. The trade size is $3 per trade. No limits. Of course, no limits, price range, all prices. I don't care, slippage, any slippage. But again, if you're more conservative, you can select these settings. If you're playing with bigger amounts, of course, you have to set bigger amounts right here. If you want to test out with smaller amounts, of course, you can go with minimum and just see how it goes. Let's click confirm because why not? Next up, you can enable auto claims. So this will allow you to claim your winnings automatically. So let's click enable. And you can see subscription created. You can see all my settings. And if you click view all, which I did, and I just stumbled my words, you can see your copy trading. You can see all the settings. You can see right here we have one active subscription. They call it subscription. You can also pause it, rename it, change the limits, change the slippage, or delete it. So basically, if you're trying this, I would recommend you to actually find really great wallets because these wallets are changing all the time. Next, try different settings depending on your budget. And also, when you're testing it, try with the small amounts to see what works, what doesn't work. And if you find something what works, then you can actually scale because we have lots of different settings. We have advanced settings. And again, now let's delete it because it's just a test. Just cancel. And we can see we just stopped our copy trading. Let's go back to main menu. After that, we have trading strategies and different presets. We also have stop loss and referral hub. So referral is basically you can invite other people to join using your link, and this will give you a small revenue share. Again, if you use my link, you're helping the channel and getting lower fees. And the last thing I want to mention is, of course, the trading strategy. So let's click on it. This is where you actually can set your own trading strategies. So let's create one strategy. Let's call it test. You can select a market time frame. So let's go 5 minutes. Let's go for BTC. You can select Solana, XRP, Ethereum. Let's go BTC. Next up, you have to add the rules. So you can add entry, up, down, or both. So let's go up. You can select a trigger price or choose below. So 25 cents up to 90 cents. You can also enter your own number. Let's go 25 cents and also enter amount, or you can choose from the presets. And the lowest you can go is $1.10. So let's go $2. And lastly, you have to add exit rules. So we have buy, and now we have to add some rules to sell. So we have take profit and stop loss. So take profit, at what price do you want to take profit? And stop loss, if we're losing, at what loss amount you actually want to close the position and take your losses. So take profit, fixed price, so percentage from entry. Let's go 25. Let's go really chill. And how much to sell? Let's go 100%. So sell 100% up when we're 25% up. Pretty conservative, you can go even lower. Again, I'm not showing exact strategy because for everyone, it's going to be a bit different. If you're playing with a big budget, maybe you're happy with like 2%. If you're playing with a smaller budget, maybe you need like 5x to actually make some decent money. So again, I would recommend you to test out all the different settings with really low amounts, see what works, and then just scale and add more. And again, test, because these things always change. Same with the copy trading. The wallets change, the meta change, even the trades change. So sometimes like there's lots of insiders with wars, usually with wars. Maybe there's some insiders with Grammys. So again, you have to always look at the new strategies, new metas, and new opportunities. And of course, we can also add stop loss. So percentage from entry. So if we're going, again, 25% down, sell 100% the position, and you can click create strategy when you're ready. You can also see all the information, create strategy, select the execution mode. We have two options, once and multiple. So one execution per market or multiple. So strategy can trigger multiple times per market. So I think let's go for the multiple. And again, we're going for volume, no limit. Slippage, let's go 5%. And our strategy just got created. Again, guys, don't copy this strategy one for one. I'm just showing what's possible, what are the settings, how can you change them, and what it all means. And also, guys, by the way, in the comments, if you have some cool strategy which works, please share it in the comments. I'm also interested because I'm testing different things. So some things are working right now. Again, I will not share because I don't want people to test it and maybe sometimes doesn't work and lose money. That's why I'm not sharing my strategies. But guys, tell me, what are your results? So let's jump in back to my profile. We have our portfolio. We have our market alerts right here. You can actually set different alerts for different markets. You have your strategies. You have your copy trading. You also have your presets. You have stop losses. Again, I explained to you what it all means. And we have the referrals. And you can always refresh and see how are your trades and network doing. So guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the bot, about trading on Polymarket, you can always ask me in the comments. Also, we have free trading group on Telegram. You can join in the description and the comment. And of course, subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.